नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, फोरम ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर एक्टिविस्ट के श्री जयंत शुक्ला जी ने आईबीए चेयरमैन और श्री गोपाल मुरली भगत ऑफिसटिंग सीईओ इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन को 13 तारीख को होने वाली आईबीए और बैंक यूनियंस की मीटिंग के संबंध में एक लेटर लिखा। डियर सर्स, टॉक्स ऑन द रेजिडुअल इश्यूज। We thank you very much for your letter dated 7th March 25, issued in the name of bank unions, inviting them for discussion on 13th March 25 on residual issues. EABU has not been a responsible body under its umbrella. Some tired and the losers have been running their livelihood. Till date, some people have used it to promote their ego. Banking and bankmen have not been dealt well. The golden era of the bankmen has turned into a brightness of brass. Under the umbrella of UBU, those bankmen who have contributed to the Indian banking industry, especially after nationalization, have been forgotten today. The process of injustice to the pensioner has not stopped even after the Honorable Finance Minister alerted the bank executives. All the high-ranked executives like you in banks are at this height today sitting on the shoulder of the bankmen. If the Reserve Bank imported governor can do so much for Reserve Bank pensioner, then why not you, sir? A 90 years old chief general manager of the State Bank of India who is getting pension as a third benefit is searching an opportunity for car driver's job. It's embracing the entire banking fraternity. We want to say with the great humility and responsibility that injustice being done to pensioners should stop. They are entitled to pension revision on the RBI line. Please give them their rights. Do not become a hurdle anymore, sir. Pensioner will welcome the agreement outside the honorable court. Their rights should not be trampled on the pretext of sub judice. They are in the final stage of their lives. They need a life of peace for which you can do a lot. There is no provision for pension updation. Why the IBA wants to demolish its label by lying? Such a lie is a serious question. There is no provision for updation just by saying the real condition of the provision of updation cannot be changed. When you can decide for what was not there in regulations, that is the decision of ex gratia for pensioner, then why not a decision on the pension updation on the RBI line, which is in regulations? The subject under the consideration in the Supreme Court is also a pension revision. In the upcoming meeting of 13 March 25, please decide the dispute of pension revision on the RBI line. Pensioner will be grateful to your lifetime. श्री जयंत शुक्ला। फ्रेंड्स, इस पत्र से तो नहीं आईबीए कुछ करेगी, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि हम अपनी बात हर फोरम पे रख रहे हैं कि शायद किसी फोरम से, शायद किसी प्लेटफॉर्म से हमें जस्टिस मिल जाए। ये हम अपना प्रयास हर स्तर पे, हर कदम पे कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।